little memory test. What I'd like you to do, if you would, is to look for something that you would remember if you saw it again in this copy of this newspaper. So it could be a headline, or an article, or a photograph, or an advertisement. Something that you would remember if you saw it again in this copy of the newspaper. Is everyone doing that? Isn't it wonderful? You see, this is called the illusion of the torn newspaper. And the idea of this trick is to make you think that I never tear the newspaper at all. In fact, when I do the trick, some people actually think that they can see newspaper being torn. But it never happens at all. It's only just an illusion. In fact, other people actually think that they can hear the sound of newspaper ripping. Isn't that silly? It's all just an illusion. It never happens at all. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, just for you this afternoon, I'm going to teach you how to do this trick. Aren't you lucky people? You see, what you do is you squeeze the newspaper, and squeezing the edges of the newspaper, it comes back to being one complete newspaper again. Thank you. Because you see, there's the newspaper. Here is the front page of the newspaper. Here is this page of the newspaper. Here's that page of the newspaper. There's the back page, and that's the illusion of the torn and restored newspaper. Thank you.